Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Roth conversion planning with Moneyguide tax tools, complete guide step by step clearly. To start configuring Roth conversion planning with Moneyguide tax tools, open the Moneyguide software. Log in with your credentials to access your dashboard. Once you are on the dashboard, navigate to the planning section. From there, select tax tools to enter the relevant module. You will see various tax planning options. Click on Roth conversion. This will open the Roth conversion planning interface. Next, input the client's current tax situation, including income and deductions. Select the appropriate tax brackets for the current year. Enter the client's existing IRA balances and tax-deferred accounts. Then, add the desired conversion amount into the Roth IRA field. Adjust the timeline for the conversion based on the client's age and future plans. Review the projected tax implications of the conversion over the selected timeline. Utilize the tax projection tool to estimate future tax liabilities and benefits. Consider the impact on the client's Social Security and Medicare premiums. Add any additional factors that might influence the Roth conversion decision. Once all inputs are complete, generate the analysis report. Review the findings with the client, focusing on advantages and potential drawbacks. Discuss any alternative strategies that may suit the client's financial situation. Finalize any decisions based on the analysis and client feedback. Ensure all data is saved and documented for future reference. If needed, revisit and adjust the plan as the client's financial circumstances change. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.